I'ma bounce this ass for it.
Oops, technical difficulties. Oh. What it do, cool kids? Welcome back. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what am I doing? Well, as you can see by the title. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna re-pierce my belly button after, I think it's 6 months, I don't know. Because I haven't pierced since October or November. I honestly can't remember, but I'm gonna insert the snap of when I first got it. No alcohol.
Don't move.
You sound like you nutty.
That's basically what we're gonna do today. I really have nothing else to post, so I'm just kidding. I just heard any content is good content, because like, why not post this? Because I'm sure one day somebody's gonna search up how to remove or how to, like, you know, change out a belly piercing. Either or, it's gonna pop up. So yeah. Oop. The first thing I'm gonna do is put some gloves on, because you know we gotta, you know, not spread germs. You gotta be safe. You can't get dirty around here. So yeah, thumbnail.
You know I love you, right? Well, I need to be honest with you. You're ugly.
So yeah, I bought this new piercing on Amazon. I'm gonna insert a picture right here because you're probably not gonna see it on here. But yeah, it's cute. It's a cute little pink heart, and you know, if you know me, my favorite color is pink, and I love hearts. Because I just have like the traditional like diamond studded piercing that I got when I first got my belly pierced. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this H2O spray, and I'm gonna spray this Q-tip, and then I'm gonna spray my navel area. That way everything's nice, clean, and proper before I start. So yeah, just make sure you clean top and bottom. I'm kind of scared. Well, I am scared because I'm just scared I'm gonna have to like pierce it again, because like, what if I can take it out but I can't put it back in, you know? Because like, you know, y'all know I'm not scared to pierce my ears. Well, not pierce my ears, but pierce anything, because, you know, hence this video that you should totally check out when I totally pierce my own ears. 7 piercings in one day, one sitting, all me. I'm a crazy kid. So yeah, totally watch that, check that out. But yeah, I'm scared to pierce it again, because like my belly is totally different from my ears, because it's just different. I don't know the dynamics of this. All right, so that's pretty much clean. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this. I'm just gonna spray my piercing down with the H2O spray. That way this one is like clean and sterile. I promise y'all, I'm not illiterate. I'm gonna sit down over there on this counter. And the moment, I look kind of fat because I just ate Popeyes. Like, don't judge. Anyways, now we're gonna just like unscrew it. So just moment of truth, dude. I'm actually so scared. Like, what if literally it doesn't go in, bruh? Let me get closer so y'all can see. I'm trying to like get this position. Okay. So now we're gonna unscrew it, bruh. Unscrew the top. Dang, that guy pierced it. He did it hard. Oh my god. Limbo. I got the top off. I'm the top off. Okay, anyways. I got the top off, so now I just gotta pull it out. Dude, look at this. I'm like freaking out because like I don't know, I haven't taken it out since March, April. About to be in May. Dang, 7 months. 7 months. Wow. Dang, that thing's old. Okay. Okay. Oh, dude, this is my belly. Oh, it's kind of ugly. It has a hole. Oh my gosh. Junior, looking at us. It came out. Dude, look at my belly. My belly without a piercing. Okay, let me put this in before this thing closes. I don't got time. But that's crazy, dude. Like I got shot. Anyways, so now I'm gonna unscrew this real quick on top of this. Okay, cool. Okay. Sorry, I'm so dramatic. I just felt it. It's I got it. Not gonna lie, it's small. I'm gonna have to order a bigger one, bruh. This one's too small. Ooh, oh no. This thing is small. I can't even get a good grip. Dang, I should be a professional piercer. This is my new baby. I can't even see. Hold on. It's so cute. Bro, talk to me nice. New piercing, who's this? I feel like Shakira.
I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting.
Oh no, I'm Malu. Hold on. Bow. Hey, I'm Malu. Oh my goodness, I have a new piercing. Let me clean around it because I'm getting scared. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean around the new open area. Because I don't want this to have no oozes or boozes. This one's way bigger than the other one, than this one. Dang, I had a good ride with this one. Like, my firstborn. My first active rebellion right here. The first thing I did when I turned 18. I'm gonna give this to my first daughter. Oh, my friend wants me to pierce her belly button, guys. Should I do it? This is pretty easy. I think I could do it. I think I'm gonna do it for a video. But yeah, I'm happy. Something badangly. But yeah, I might pierce like the ones down here, so I have like 4. That's gonna be something to watch. Thank you for watching. Wait, I gotta do my little leap. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed this little like clip or whatever of just really much randomness. So yeah, I hope you like my new addition to the family, to the gang. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on my next video.
What the? That's not it. Chiiyoma, what the fuck?
You're all there for my meet and greet, you know. Thanks for coming out, guys.